Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your 8th generation Microsoft Surface laptop. So in order to take a screenshot on this laptop, we're gonna need to use one of the following combinations of keys. It can either be Windows, Shift, and S buttons pressed simultaneously, or we can also just press and hold the F1 button and press F8 along with it. This will make the screenshot or capture toolbar appear at the top of your screen. Here you're gonna have to select this first icon and expand this list, and you'll see that we have 4 different screenshot options. The first one is rectangle, which will change your pointer into a crosshair, which you can use to make a selection on your screen, and then this selection will be captured. If you want to find your screenshot, you're gonna have to open File Explorer, go to Pictures and Screenshots, and here we have it. Now the following option we have is a window screenshot, and once you select it, navigate to window that you want to take a screenshot of and click on it. The third option that we have is a full screen screenshot, and once you select this option, the screenshot of your entire screen will be captured. And the last option that we have is called Freeform screenshot, and it basically lets us take a screenshot of any selection that we make on our screen. Basically draw on our screen like this, and here's what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.